US crude and nat gas both have retraced strongly on the downside and come back till towards the support levels at 67.5 and 2.75. Remember, for nat gas specifically, we have been discussing about a retracement as it was slightly overbought and it was deviated from the 20 period exponential moving average. I hope you all profited there trading oil and nat gas yesterday. Now today, what to expect, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Also, you can join our free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we'll look into US crude followed with nat gas. Do watch till the end. Now, if you look at the movement on US crude, see first of all on the early charts, look at the bearish candles. It is diminished here with the size and now it is looking forward to a reversal. What could be a reversal? See, potentially beyond 68.5 levels. If it stays above 68.5, then you can expect a little rise. However, one must remember, see first of all, this is how it is trading. Remember, this is 67.5, also very good. Now also one must look at how beautifully 70 levels are respected there, and since then we have seen this drop. Now it is looking forward to reverse and see the bullishness there. One candle retracement, couple of candles. I will wait for 68.5 to be breached, and then 69 is the maximum resistance, and beyond 69, once it stays above 69.5, you can say that the chances of reversal or the rise will increase. Hence, for the day, you have to wait for 69.5, 69.6 levels to be breached in order to confirm the upside. Also remember, it is almost double bottom levels. This zone here is very important. The stock ISTIC is seen rising. MACD again crossing over for a buy. Good sign here. RSI is seen rising. And on the 2-hour, likewise you can see higher highs, higher lows. Possibly 68.5 is the level you need to watch out for. Beyond that, little more bullishness is confirmed. The stock ISTIC is seen rising. MACD willing to converge. First wave, second wave is what we are looking forward right now, but if it crosses over here, that should be the sign of reversal. RSI here is also looking upwards, staying bullish. Now look at 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, first of all, one must observe, see first resistance, second resistance. Now the base is what it has created, and see multiple candles, 3 to 4 candles forming the base here also always indicates that the potential for a little rise will be strong. However, we have to confirm that it has to break past 69.6 levels in order to rise further, and then 70.2 is the ultimate level, because if it breaks past this, see double bottom is what we are looking at. If it breaks past this, we can see a little more rise. The stock ISTIC oversold. MACD is also bearish, willing to converge. RSI is at bottom. And now on the 4-hour charts also. Now look at the 4-hour charts here. You can see 67.5. You can see a drop till 67. One second breakout. This is third breakout. This is the fourth. And this is the fourth time it is willing to reverse here. But remember one more thing here is, see the bearish candle and the bullish candle. The retracement is coming with the smaller size candles. And now it has to break past 69.2 and 69.6 levels in order to confirm a further rise. Right now it is getting a little resistance here, hence a buy entry at around 68.5. However, see this is the zone 69, it needs to break past by and 69.6, then further bullishness is confirmed there. Else this is still a retracement here, sharp bearish candle, little retracement like this, and then further followed with a drop is what we can expect. Also remember 67.5, if it breaches, then we can see 67 and 65 levels. Stock ISTIC at bottom. MACD is still bearish, willing to converge crossover. It is not yet crossed over yet. RSI at bottom here. And coming to the daily charts. Now look at daily charts. See one bearish candle, couple of retracement candle, another bearish candle. Candle size has diminished here. A smaller candle size is getting smaller. That is a good observation, because the bearishness is getting diminished here. Now also if you look at this zone is very important. 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you consider this also, then 5, and in fact you can see the previous drop also got the support here. Now see also the new candle is on this chart is yet to start. Staying above 68 is a very important observation here. And if you look at the previous drop, still it is giving you higher lows and still it is giving you slightly higher highs. Also, the price is deviant from the 20 period moving average as of now. The moving averages are trading with divergence. This is a bearish sign. So still there is signs of a reversal can be expected because the bearishness getting diminished and the prices are divergent from the moving average. Hence above 68.5 you can initiate a buy entry. However, 69 is what you can look forward to, 69.2 levels rather, then 69.6 and then 70 levels. Till 69, remember, it is or you can say it is still bearish. 69.2 levels till 69.2 you can still expect a pushback on the downside. Hence one has to remain very cautious till towards in fact 70 levels. Hence take your trades accordingly. Also, if you look at the stochastic at bottom here, the MACD is again crossing over for a sell. RSI is also looking downward. So considering this, you can buy here at 68.5 levels and sell at 67.5 levels, or rather you can initiate a sell entry at 67.8 levels and expect 67.5 first support, and then 67 and below levels can be expected. So take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. Yes, before leaving the video, just press the like button such that it should be a good appreciation from your side, which I will expect. Now on the other hand, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 23rd batch starts on 3rd of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now coming to the hourly charts on natural gas. Natural gas on the hourly chart. First, a very sharp drop is seen here. Second, a reversal is seen here. Now it is trying to rise. Also, you can see increasing candle size, increasing bullishness. Also, if you look at the complete movement, you will find lower highs, lower lows, a wide channel here. Also, now on the upside till 2.9 anyways, there is very strong downward push, and hence you should be cautious of 2.9 levels. Also, if you look at now moving averages 20 and 50 is giving it a little resistance on this zone, and hence you can buy here at 2.84 levels, expect 2.86, 88, 2.9, very strong resistance till towards 2.9. Beyond that it will fly high. At the same time, on the downside, the sell entry is only confirmed if you see it trading below 2.8 now. Below 2.8 further bearishness may prevail. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD after staying bearish for a straight move, it is now converging for a buy entry. RSI looking upwards, and on the 2-hour chart, see it is forming classical megaphone here, and possibly increasing candle size is what you can see. Now we have to wait for the zone at 2.8486, and in fact till 2.9 this should not be treated for a reversal. Now look, the moving averages which were trading with extreme divergence have started to converge a bit. Now also if you look at the stochastic is seen rising. MACD is still bearish, willing to converge here, crossover for a buy entry. RSI looking upwards, and on the 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, after forming the reversal sign, it is trying to retrace a little on the upside. We have to be cautious, watchful till towards 2.9. Beyond that it is a reversal and we can see a rise, and the sell entry as confirmed here is below 2.8. Now how far it can drop if it continues to drop on the downside? Now first of all, look at the 3-hour charts here. See, this is still the bullish channel in which it is trading. Support levels, the moving averages are trading with divergence. Support levels are very strong at 2.75 and 2.7. Only below 2.7, little more bearishness is observed there. Till 2.7, do not treat this as bearish. The stochastic is seen rising. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is again looking upwards. And on the 4-hour charts also similar is the observation. See, so it is still trading in this channel. The bottom here is somewhere at 2.7 levels, very strong support. Now also if you look at the 4-hour charts, reversal signs, second bullish candle, it can retrace till towards 2.86. In fact, beyond 2.88 only little more rise can be confirmed here. The stochastic flat, MACD is bearish and trading with little divergence. RSI is also now started to look upwards. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, moving averages have crossed over. It is a good sign. It is a bullish sign. 2.6 and 2.5 levels are now the strongest support. Also, if you look at it, is trading in this bullish channel. The bottom of this channel now situated at around 2.7 levels. Very strong support level exists at 2.7. And remember, on the downside, see, this is green candle, first red candle, possibly See, the body size is almost half the size of the complete move here. Opening below, the new candle is yet to start here. Opening below, it can definitely may pull the prices further down, and then 2.75, 2.7 levels will come into picture. Stochastic is overbought here. MACD is extremely bullish. Divergent RSI is near to top. Considering this a sell entry 2.8 and a buy entry 2.8. However, remember till 2.9, it is going to get maximum resistance. Hence, yes, it can reverse from any of these levels at 2.86, 2.88, 2.9. Three major resistance levels. Above 2.9, it will fly again on the upside. Till 2.9, we have to extremely cautious. We have to be extremely cautious and watchful. You have to put a stop loss at cost and keep booking at 2 cents. That is 2.86, 2.88. Keep booking here. Re-enter if you see in trading in same direction. On the downside, yes, you can see a reversal also from any of these levels, and where you see a reversal, specifically if you see trading below 2.8, you can sell there, but then 2.75 and 2.7. 2.7 is a very good support for now. Hence, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.